is identity number 8. This is the last identity you are having. Okay. So again, the identity says that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z in one bracket. And in another bracket, you can see clearly that you are having x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Actually, you will multiply the RHS and you will end up getting LHS. So I'm not showing you how we got this formula because that will be really tedious. Okay, again, we got this formula from distributive property only. Okay, see the RHS, I'm talking about this one. Learn it. Okay, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is this one. Okay, now let's move. And let's see the questions which you are having from here. Yes, Aleph, just now I was talking about identity number 8. Okay, this is a new formula and today this is the last formula from here. Okay, so x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z in one bracket. In another bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus z y xy yz zx. Okay, you can see the formula. I'm not going to show you from where the formula came. Actually, it came from distributive property. The left hand side, both the bracket got multiplied. Okay, we have multiplied them and we ended up getting the LHS. Okay, so let's see how to use the formula, which is important. Just a second. No? We'll be discussing question number 12. Can you see we have to do the verification over here? And verification based question means 12. Verification means you have to show that yes, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Number 12, left hand side, can you see exactly the same formula is written over here? That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, so we understand this is the same formula, but the right hand side is not same, right? In our formula we were having x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z in one bracket. In another bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This was the formula, right? So we can clearly see RHS is not matching. If RHS will match, then we can say that, yeah, we are having the formula LHS is equals to RHS. So we just need to match it here RHS with our RHS. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will simplify this rectangular bracket part. Okay, we will try simplifying 1 by 2 I am writing as it is. X plus y plus z I am writing as it is. Just this rectangular bracket we are trying to solve. How? Expand it. X minus y whole square you are having. So you'll be having x square minus 2xy plus y square. Then y minus z whole square you are having. So you'll be writing y square minus 2yz plus z square. You are just expanding it. Next, z minus x square. You can write it z square minus 2zx plus x square. This way. Now, if you will see carefully, you will find x square plus x square. That means you will be getting 2x square in this rectangular bracket. If you will focus, you will be getting 2y square as well. Be careful. So from this rectangular bracket, now you are going to get, see this 1 by 2, x plus y plus z is still there. But here you are going to have 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Is it crystal clear so far to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
clearly we can see 2 can be taken out common from this rectangular bracket. We can take out 2 common from the rectangular bracket. Let's take it out. If we will take out 2 common from the rectangular bracket, okay, 2 we will take out common and we will write it here only. So what are we left with? We are left with just x square. We are left with just y square. We are left with just z square. We are left with just minus xy, then minus yz, then minus zx. Just this. And what about the front part? Yeah, that is still sitting over here. One thing you need to understand from this step that here all are in multiplication with each other. And that's why I am going to say that let's cancel out this 2 with this 2. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
And we ended up getting the formula. The formula which I had written initially on the screen, this formula, RHS side, just match it. Exactly same thing you are having here also in the RHS. So you will say hence verified. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is same as this one. Okay, LHS is equals to RHS. Verified by using the formula you are saying. Is it clear?
Yes.
LF, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we'll be doing it. Now, what about the next one? This next number 14 or maybe number 13. Number 13. If x plus, I am keeping the formula as it is. Okay, so that you can see the formula and we will be discussing number 13 for now. See, if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. We have to show it. So are you realizing in the formula, if we will put x plus y plus z at the place of x plus y plus z, if you will drop 0 here, it is given no that x plus y plus z is 0. So you are putting it in the formula 0 into the complete bracket. So are you realizing 0 into anything is just 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it, LF?
Yes, ma'am.
0 into anything. Anything means this bracket multiplied with 0 will be just 0. Just 0. This bracket multiplied with 0 will be 0. Okay, that means we are just having the left hand side of the formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is 0. When x plus y plus z is 0, then this, the formula has taken the another shape. From here, we are able to show whatever we are supposed to show. Is it crystal clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do number 14. Yes, Khadija, Aleph, Afia, please turn on your camera. In each and every class, you need to turn on your camera. Afia, you have done already. Okay, please do it. Aleph and Khadija, please do it.
Mom, I don't have a camera on my device.
Okay, yes. Khadija, you have told me. Okay, I'll inform the team. Let's see the next one, number 14. Minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Without actually calculating the cube, find the value. So this is just the same formula. Okay, it is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube. If you are having x cube plus y cube plus z cube, this format, then you can just shift this 3xyz to the other side. How? You can write it this way. You can write it x plus y plus z in one bracket, then x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx plus 3xyz. Are you getting it? It's the same formula, such a huge formula. How I have done the customization. This 3xyz just we have taken from here and we have written over here. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We are shifting it to other side. Why? Because in our question, just the left hand side part is given, and over there just x cube plus y cube plus z cube is there. Okay, so first we will try this much calculation we have to do. Don't worry, you don't have to do this much calculation. Okay, you will just find first x plus y plus z. Your x is minus 12. Your y is, see, I'm talking about number one question. Your y is just 7 and your z is just 5. Please do x plus y plus z according to this format. Just add them all and tell me what are you getting. X plus y plus z is what?
Is it 0?
Yeah, it is 0. Okay, so initially I told you you don't even have to do this much calculation. Okay, this is 0. That means this complete part multiplied with 0 will be just 0. So actually the formula which you need to use for this question is this one. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because your x plus y plus z is coming out as a 0. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, this is just the customized version of the same formula. That if your x plus y plus z is 0 in any of the situation, then the huge formula which I have written with the red color marker, that got converted into such a smaller formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. This formula you will be using only when your x plus y plus z is 0. Clear?
Yes,
So in this case, your x plus y plus z is 0. So you just need to find the value by doing 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5, and you will end up getting the final answer for x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Any doubt over here? Afia, Khadija, Aleph, any confusion, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, similarly, we'll be doing the next one. You need to check this version of the formula. You can only use when your x plus y plus z is 0. So for the next one, when your x is 28, your y is minus 15. Your x is 28, your y is minus 15, and your z is minus 13. Please add x plus y plus z and tell me what we are getting. Is it again 0?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is again 0, then this new version of the same formula you can use. That means for finding x cube plus y cube plus z cube, you can just do 3 into x into y into z. So your x is 28, your y is minus 15, your z is minus 13. Is it crystal clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Calculation you will be able to do by yourself at your home. Okay, I am leaving it. Any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Khadija, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the last part. That is the 16 number. And then we are done with this chapter. Let's read it. It says that what are the possible expression for the dimension of cube? Dimension means measurement. Dimension means measurement. So what are the possible expression for the measurement of cuboid? Okay, whose volume are given below. We need to find the measurement of a cuboid whose volume is already given in the question. Okay, let's find it. So volume is 3x square minus 12x. Actually, you need to just factorize it. You just need to factorize this 3x square minus 12x. Okay. Once you will do the factorization, you will end up getting the measurements. Okay. So factorization means whatever approach is working, please do it. And on day one, I was teaching you how to take out common factor. So can you see how easily we can just take out common factor 3x and we will be left with x minus 4. And we are done with the factorization. Is it clear?
Yes.
And what about the measurement of the cuboid? So don't worry, you can say this is length, this is breadth, this is height. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, the next one, we are having 12ky square, which is just representing volume of a cuboid. And we just need to do the factorization. Once you will do it properly, factorization, you will be able to understand what is your length, what is your breadth, what is your height. Any way you can say one of them is length, another is breadth, another is height. If you are thinking that length can also be x, breadth can also be 3, and height can be any one from here. So yeah, we are just talking about one of the possibility because it says the possible expression. Just the possible, one of the possible answer we are giving. Okay. So second one, can you see still we can take out common factor on day 1, day 2. while discussing factorization, I told you the basic way to do the factorization is to take out common factor from all the term. If you are thinking about splitting the middle term, then let me tell you that yeah, splitting the middle term will help over here. But first, take out common factor. Can you see k is common? 4 is common. 4 3 times 12, y is square. 4 2 times 8, y. 4 5 times 20. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And now you can split the middle term over here. But so far, before splitting the middle term, I have not discussed this approach. Because so far, while doing splitting the middle term, this type of situation you have never ever encountered in any of the question. Okay, suppose you are solving factorization based question, and you can see from each and every term, you can take out something common. Then please take it. Please take it. Okay, that is the best approach to solve any factorization based question. Suppose I am giving you, so let's say 3x cube minus 8, 18 x square plus 25 24x. Okay, and I'm telling you to do the factorization. At first, can you see 3 can be taken out as a common factor, and x also can be taken out as a common factor, and you are left with x square. You are left with 6x. You are left with 8. Now you can check whether splitting the middle term works over here or not. If works, then you can do it. If doesn't work, then you can leave it as a final answer. You are done with the factorization. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So every time while doing factorization, you can check if any certain particular number, any term is common factor or not. Same thing we did over here. Now here we will split the middle term. While splitting the middle term, we just compare it with, okay, ax square plus bx plus c. We say that our a is the coefficient of x square or y square. Okay. So our A is 3, our B is 2, our C is minus 5. Then we do the multiplication of A with C. That is 3 with 5. Negative 5 also you can take. Okay. You will be getting minus 15. For now, you can focus on splitting, factorizing this 15. Okay. So 3, 5 times 15. Whatever way you do is splitting the middle term, please do it. Okay, 3 5 times 15, that is only going to give you plus 2. So you can take plus 5y minus 3y minus 5, 3y square, 4k. Okay, in this bracket part, you can take out common and you can split the middle term. Y is common, you will be having 3y plus 5. Minus 1 is common, you will be having 3y plus 5. Afia, Khadija, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aleph, are you getting it? You can write it as a 4k.
Yes, ma'am.
One bracket 3y plus 5, in another bracket y minus 1, and we are done with complete factorization. Now we can say one of them is length, another is breadth, another is height. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how we'll be solving it. We are done with this chapter. Okay, now I'm going to ask your preference, and accordingly I'll be starting the next chapter. So from our team, I have got the just a moment. Aleph, you are having upcoming exam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When?
25th.
25th. What are the syllabus for the same?
It's real numbers. No, I mean number system.
Mhm.
Then I that polynomial,
And
that geometry thing.
then coordinate geometry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we'll be starting with coordinate geometry. Okay, Afia?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is such a simple chapter and we'll be able to do it quickly. Let's do it. Today I'll be showing you that suppose you are having a number line. You understand number line means what? Number lines means a line where integers, okay, initially when you learned about number line, you were representing integers on this line, right? Right, Aleph and Afia?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I have taken one number line and I have taken okay. So then suppose I am taking one more number line. Here 0 will be there. Okay, then same number line I am taking. That means I am taking two number lines. Two number lines I am taking. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll take this both the number line and I will arrange it in this manner. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the same page. Right? So suppose I have taken both the number line and I have started arranging it in this manner. The red one horizontally and the blue one vertically. I am placing it in such a manner that I am keeping 0, 0, 0 on each other. Like the previous 0 and current 0 just on each other. Like both the point are just overlapping with each other. Is it making sense? Both the zeros are overlapping over here. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now the same way. Here positive upper side I have kept the positive and downward side I will maintain the negative. So you can see I have not done anything else. Okay, initially I have drawn two number line and now I started telling you that let's make a combination of this two number line. Just place 0 of the previous number line on 0 of the current number line in this manner that both are exactly okay perpendicular 90-degree, both are making with each other. Okay, so this way we have placed both the number line and now we are going to say that this is a complete different world. Okay, complete different branch of mathematics, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, by doing so we have created something really 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 interesting, and that is we have created a Cartesian system. Are you getting it? What is Cartesian system? Just a name. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now every time in this coordinate geometry chapter, I will start making, okay, the coordinate axis in this manner. So you should not get confused that why I am drawing in this manner. These are nothing but just two number lines. One of the number line we will name x-axis, and another number line we will name as a y-axis. Okay. Now, when you were having a just a line where integers, you were having integers, that is +1, okay, +2, +3, -1, -2. Then if I will say where is the point B, so you will say point B is here. Okay. If I will ask what is the x value of variable, suppose I am taking x and I am asking you what is the x value at a point B, you will say x value is 2. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was giving us the location of this 2. Okay, where 2 is located, where 3 is located here, where -1 is located, we can represent it here. Okay. Similarly, on this coordinate axis, our point will look like this, 2, 3. Okay, or maybe 4, 5. This way our point will look like. So at first, let's see the location first. Okay, we will come to this part. Let me just, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. On the other side, we are having -1, just the basic integer, okay, integers. Why I am writing till 4? It is not just till 4, okay, it will go till infinity in the left direction also and in the right direction. Okay, I'm not able to write till infinity, that's why I'm just writing few numbers. Okay, on y-axis on the upper side I will write positive numbers. Always keep in mind that on y-axis we write the positive numbers on the upper side and negative numbers on the downward side. Okay, so this is 3, this is 4. Here we are having -1, -2, -3, -4. Few numbers I have just taken. Okay, now suppose we are having randomly a random point. Suppose we are having a random point over here. Okay, and that is point A. So what is the address of point A? What is the address of point A? So in mathematics, there is a certain structure, certain way to write the address. And let's see how you will be writing the address of a point A. So you will say that on x-axis, okay, you will drop a perpendicular on x-axis. You will drop a perpendicular from A on y-axis. Okay. Now, are you able to realize, just a moment now. Are you able to realize that this much distance is just 2, because this is 2. It is nothing but just a rectangle. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is also 2. This is also 2. Okay. So this one will also be 2. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here we will be writing the address properly. At first we write the x coordinate. In our address, the structure must be in this format. Whenever you will go and drop a letter in the post office, they will ask you to write the address and everything in a certain pattern. If you will not write it in a certain pattern, then they will give you another envelope and they will ask you to just throw that previous envelope and put it in this one and then write it in proper manner, so that Whoever will take this one, okay, they will drop it at the right place without getting confused, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's why they are that strict with the format. We are also, okay, we will also be following a format over here. While writing the address of A, at first we will write the x coordinate, then we will write the y coordinate. The easiest method is to just see if you have dropped the perpendicular on x-axis from A. If you are dropping the perpendicular on x-axis, you are touching the point 2 on x-axis, right? So x coordinate is 2. And when you are dropping the perpendicular on y-axis, you are touching 2 again on the y-axis. So your y coordinate is also 2, and this is 2 comma 2 is the address of point A. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now suppose I am giving you so many points now. So there is a point which is point B. Let's find the address of point B. I will drop a perpendicular on x-axis. I will drop a perpendicular on y-axis. And the address format says that first write the x. So x is -2 and y is minus just 1, positive 1. Okay, because here positive is there. Is it clear?
Yes,
This way, what are we doing? We are just writing the address in a certain format. LF, are you getting it?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will show you so many points, and quick we'll be writing the address of each and every point. So suppose we are having another point over here, which is the point C, and I am asking you what is the address of a point C. So you will drop a perpendicular on x-axis and a perpendicular on y-axis. Your x-axis, you are touching at a point -1. So your x coordinate is -1 and your y coordinate is -2. Is it crystal clear?
yes,
Suppose I am giving you a point over here and I am telling this is the point D. What is the coordinate or what is the address of point D? So you will say that address of D is, let's drop a perpendicular on x-axis. Okay, it must, okay, it will touch at 4. So you'll be having x coordinate as a 4. Let's drop a perpendicular on y-axis. Y is -4. Is it crystal clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now quick, so many points I am locating, and let's write the address in each and every scenario. While writing the address, be careful. First you are writing the x coordinate, okay, then you are writing the y coordinate. So point A, please tell me the address. LF and Afia.
-3, 1.
Yes, -3, 1. Right, Afia?
Yes, ma'am. -3, +1.
Yeah. What is the coordinate or the address of point B?
3, 3.
Perfect. Afia, is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the address of point C?
-2 and
1, -2.
First x, then y. Afia. X is 1 and y is -2, right?
yes, ma'am.
If by mistake you will write the address first -2 then 1, that means the address is incorrect. Okay. Next, point D.
-3, 1.
-3,
-3, 3, -1.
yes. Right, Afia?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how you are writing the address. Now in this address, always we write the x coordinate first and y coordinate after that. Okay, always we write x coordinate first and then we write the y coordinate. This x coordinate is having one more name. We also call it abscissa. Abscissa. Just another name. I can have one more name. Maybe my family calls me with different name. Maybe your family calls you with one more name is there. Okay. So it is just another name, abscissa. Abscissa means x coordinate. And y coordinate is also having one more name, that is ordinate. So do we need to learn these names? Yes. Okay. Wherever I will say, okay, that abscissa is 2. So you need to understand, okay, x coordinate is 2. If I will say ordinate is 5, so you need to understand, okay, y coordinate is 5. Are you getting it, Afia and LF?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
now
ma'am.
you just understood that how to understand the address. Okay, always there is a certain way of writing the address in the coordinate form. This is the Cartesian system we are discussing. Okay, here we always write x coordinate first. Let me take few more examples. In the next class I will take the other part and I will just complete it. So suppose I am having 1 over here, 2 over here. Now one more thing, since you have placed 0 on 0 while placing your x-axis and your y-axis, okay, you have placed 0, the previous 0 with the current 0, the x-axis 0 and the y-axis 0 are overlapping with each other. So the coordinate of this point will be 0, 0. And this point is also having one name, that is origin. We will call it origin. Okay, coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, so from now onward we are going to call it origin, and here the coordinate we will say x is also 0, y is also 0. Okay, so we don't even have to drop the perpendicular or anything. We just have to use that logic that we have while placing it. We have placed both the number line perpendicular to each other, and we have also placed 0 on 0. Okay, so here x is also 0, y is also 0, and the name of this point, there is a particular name for this point, that is origin. Okay, this is called origin O. Usually we represent it with the alphabet O. Okay, origin. Now you can also represent it with any alphabet, doesn't matter, but this point's name is origin. Okay, now I'm just showing you, just locating few points, and you will be telling me the coordinates. I will also join it because you don't know, the numbers are really close with each other, so you can get confused. That's why I'm showing you this way. Coordinate of a point A.
Ten
Yes.
comma
Afia, what is it?
Point B,
Point A first.
10 and 5.
X is 10, Y is 5. And what about B?
Negative
minus
4,
four
positive.
comma
Yes. And if I will take here a point C, then the coordinate is
minus 4 minus 1.